Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do unboxing this RGB power strip. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified about a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So I have here a power strip, and again, it comes with a 6 AC outlets and 3 USB adapter, and also 1 USB-C. And again, this is a surge protector, and this is also a waterproof, but it doesn't mean that you guys can submerge this one and it's waterproof. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so but again, the feature on this one is really good, and it is the IPX6 water or splash proof, and also the overload protection, the surge protection, the 20-watt PD fast charger, and also the music rhythm lights and electric shock proof. So it's really good product, guys. But again, we are going to unbox this, and we'll see what's in the box. Are you ready? So there you go. So again, they have the manuals here. I'll just put this one on the side, and again, you have a lifetime warranty and $10 coupon. Okay, and on the description box, guys, I will put where you can buy this product. Okay, so just hang on with me. Ta-dang, that's it. Very small but powerful. So there you go. Again, it comes with the 6 power outlets, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it comes also with your cell phone, where you can, while you're charging, you can put your cell phone here. We'll see. Okay, there you go. So you can put your phone while you're charging, and again, it comes with 3 USB and 1 USB-C. Okay, and again, it's so nice because they have a handle, and it's easy for you to, to hold or something. It's not like gonna hold like this, but at least they have a handle that way. Okay, and again, it's nice. It's nice product actually. It's beautiful, beautiful here. Nice one. So again, we're going to try this one here. How it works. I'll just take this one out there, and I'm gonna try to plug in this one on my outlet. But before that one, guys, the space-saving design make the most at vertical space. The power is up to 10 devices in tight, and also a neat space. And also they have here on and off switch. And again, because it's a waterproof, they have some protection on this part here. Okay, for the switch. Okay, so we're going to plug in this one. We will see how it works. So again, all you have to do on this one, tapping the center. The sound reactive RGB is tapping in the center at the top of the surface. And again, there are 10 different RGB lights modes. So they have it red, green, blue, orange, purple and yellow, and also a different color here. They have a blue mixed red, and again it's a different color, as you can see. And also you can tap another one, and it depends on the what kind of setup you want for your gaming or your party. And also it will move the lights as soon as you talk. It will move the lights also. So again, for a party, it will show up the lights. Okay, so beautiful. And also, guys, the back of the cord, you can also turn it in 360. Okay, it's very good. It's very neat. The all-around safety power overload protection, 2000 joules surge protection is nothing new. IPX6 waterproof, the electric shockproof, patented, designed to provide you an extreme safety convenient power. And also they have a 5 years warranty on this power strip. So nice, beautiful. And I think, guys, you know, if you want or need one of this one here for your supply, and again we're gonna try the USB. Okay, so we're gonna try the USB. We'll see if it's how it works. So now I'm putting my GoPro battery here. Okay, so before it will green or whatever color is your, before it will start charging, you should have to tap it once. Okay, so now it's working with the orange here, or green. It's an orange right now, so you can see it means that it works. Okay, so now it works that way. And then I have here a battery. We can try also, and we'll see if how it works. Okay, so again it works. There's an orange on this part here. See the orange LED detection. So nice. See, nice. And also that one, it's working. Awesome. Nice one. So there you go, guys. So again, I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing this power strip. And again, I'll just put the link where you can buy this unit. I'll just put it on the description box. And also, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel, and also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new upload on this channel. So again, I'm NoyTebs. Thank you for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.